Stock Market Podcast. In this session, right, I'm just going to give you guys three investment strategy. I'm not no financial advisor. I have the wisdom for a financial advisor, but I'm not a financial advisor. So today we can talk about what is the stock market and the really all you really need to know about the stock market, like just a straight maybe a 4 minute video on just like what really you need to know about the stock market. First, in the stock market, it's all about the shares. So all you need to do is buy one particular share or more share, or just invest into shares, like invest $5, $10, 10, $20, whatever, and just keep investing that on the stocks exchange, right? So now we got the shares. So after you got the shares, you never sell the shares. Especially you don't sell the shares on your contract. Don't do that. Don't do that. You buy, you borrow, you die. So after you buy, so we move to stage two, which is the options. Options basically allow you to short a company in that day or in that week or in that month, depends as long as you have the expiration date on contract. Next, what we can talk about is day trade. Day trade, which in the scalping and hold a contract before 3 o'clock. Other than that, you can swing trade, hold it for the next day, or you can just do the weekly out. But other than that, guys, that's mainly all you really need to know about stock market. One, you invest into it every time. Two, you do the options. You buy a put or a call, and you just trade the S&P 500, which make up about the five best 100 companies in America. And that one right there. And then we have the QQQ. That's all the text. All the text, all like the Teslas and whatever, though they flow through the QQQ. Other than that, the stock market, they just can give you other history about it, where I don't care about the history. I care about now. The history is already done. This shit is profitable. But the stock market is also different from crypto and the forex market. So all three of those markets are in different folders. So because I be talking, people they'll be like, "Oh, you do stock market," and then the first thing they say crypto. Like it's not the same. It's just not the same thing. But end of the day, that's pretty much all you really need to know. To set up the broker, you can, if you guys are not in the United States, mainly it's going to be, and you guys have to go to your bank at the country where you guys at and set it up. But I know as long as you're in America, you got Robinhood, E-Trade, Webull, and that's pretty much all you really need to know about the stock market from that. But the to become profitable and transform your family, change the bloodline, options is the way. Like if I had to tell you guys, I wouldn't say it be a scalper or intraday trader or day trader. You have to choose what type of strategy you want because it reflects your time. Like how you manage your time in life outside of trading, it determines what type of trader you are. If you can scalp, go in the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute five, you do that pretty good. You analyze the time, you in and out trades of two candlesticks, three candlesticks. Then we go to swing trade. You hold a trade for tomorrow. You buy a contract for tomorrow. You could go for tomorrow, or vice versa. You day trade. You buy the contract for the day, which you have before 2:30, before the kick of the market. Other than that, you can just invest into the shares. Invest into shares and just never sell it, because regardless of what's going on in the economy, as I don't, if you guys have cash up or a savings account, instead of having a savings account, like rename your savings account. Let's say you want to go on a vacation, right? And you call your vacation category vacation. See, you guys see right there how this pop up, right? I'm making cash flow as I speak to you guys on Robinhood. So guys, invest into the stock market. Like whatever happens in life, as long as the we have internet, the stock market is going to always be here. So if you're not a part of this, where else do you have your money? And the money is the most important thing in someone's life, because we know it's money, family, and food. But God over everything, though. But that's pretty much all you really need to know about the stock market. Other than that, guys, the options, though, the options is for sure the way to retire the family. If you want to change the bloodline, everyone say trading, it happens through options. One contract for $20, one contract for $40, one contract for $50, one contract for $30, one contract for $10. As long as you're in the option, and especially, well, today is Tuesday. Jerome Powell is going to talk in like an hour, so my plan really won't matter. But at least I'm in both ways. I'm in a call for today, because he's going to talk like around 1:30, and before 2:30, before the market kick me out of the contract, it's going to make a drastic move one way. So always write down your goals before you enter the trade, like what you want to accomplish, and whatever you do, guys, mind your business.